Indonesian fish curry steamed with banana leaf. Okay, guys, today I'm gonna make something from fish. Today, how to make fish curry steamed with banana. Okay, let's check it out. The recipe. Okay, guys, Indonesian fish curry steamed with banana leaf 2024. Okay, let's check the recipe and ingredient. Okay, I will check one by one. Okay, for the first bowl we have curry powder. And the next bowl we have tomato, two pieces of tomato, and lime leaf, and the next garlic, turmeric, and Indonesian style of ingredient. What is this? Laos, I mean. And the next we have salad, sliced salad, and banana leaf there, and salt, and fish always there. And the last one we have kemangi. Kemangi is like Indonesian parsley, something like that. And this is to make smell good. I'm gonna put inside later, inside the ingredient, and I will mix together. Okay, guys, let's go. We're gonna start it to make it. Okay, first time I'm gonna blend all ingredients. Let's go. Let's check it out. Okay, guys, this is the all ingredient already blend. This I mix together all ingredient, and we're gonna put inside the fish. And after that, later on is I'm gonna cover it, and we are ready to steam it. Okay, finally we are almost finished with the fish. The fish already covered with banana leaf. To everything is inside ingredient, and we are ready to make it finish. Okay, after this I'm gonna steam all the fish. Okay, I'm gonna put the fish one by one and ready to steam it. Okay, yes, everything already inside, and I'm gonna switch on. Yes, fire camera, switch on, and then I put the cover. And everything already inside, and we are waiting maybe 30 minutes. We're gonna check it. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna check well done or not. Okay, finally we are done. Okay, let me check first. Soft. Yes, well done, perfectly. Yeah. Perfect. Okay guys, finally we are finished with the fish, and see you in next video. Bye bye.